Hello and welcome to another demo of the Paragraphs bundle. My name is Ala Haddad and I'm the developer of the Paragraphs bundle module. And today we are going to talk about the card bundle. Just quick recap. This is a a demo for the Paragraphs bundle module. This is the upgraded version for the W3 CSS paragraph. You will need to have two contrib modules, the paragraphs and the field group installed. So I have all these installed on my local, and I have local site installed on my a Drupal site installed on my local. So just quick recap for this bundle. This is the old one. It was revamped and I recreated and I added more feature to this bundle. So when you visit, this is the bundle, what it gives you, kind of like the card, right, left, and percentage or something like that. And that's what it, but the new one, it has more features. So let's start. I'm just gonna start. I need to install the bundle. So, and this one actually require another bundles to be installed, the image and the main one. So you say yes after we install it, and we just go and see exactly what is inside the card as usual. So I'm just going here. I just installed this module and structure, paragraph type. Okay. So I'm gonna this is the default. These are the image bundle. So those that comes in the image. So the paragraphs bundle card comes with the 4 paragraph types. Each one actually has its own functionality, but they also work inside each other. It's a long bundle, so I'm trying to keep the video short as much as I can. So here, this is the image section with the text section. So if you click on the manage field, whereas each bundle has really the 13 default fields plus one field that's been customized for it. So this one has the image and the other one has the text, and these are each card layout. If you work with the 3-com or 2-com layout, this is pretty much the same, but it just specify for the card and the section and the image. So let's go and add and see in action what it is exactly. So I'm just going, I have already content type and I added the paragraph field inside it. So I'm just gonna add one thing at a time, and then we'll see what's happening. So this is just an image, and if I add an image here, I'm not adding that much. I'm just trying to. So this is so each paragraph bundle, if you didn't listen to any of the video before, it comes with content and display, and the display has the 13th default field in the back in the under display tab, and content has the title, the image, and the link. If you want this image to be clickable, I'm just gonna go here, and this is just SEO. This is not the title for the link. So this one is going to be clickable now. So I'm just going to click save and see what's happening. So this is the image by default, and it's clickable here, you see. So what it is exactly. So now let's go and click edit, and that was the image section. So if I'm adding a title here and click save, so this is the title. You see it now comes on the top of the image. Now let's go add more. And if I want to go here, I'm just going to add a background and make the text color. Let's do dark, and then click save. And as you see here, now that's what it is. So this card image section can stand by itself, but at the same time can be inserted inside the bundle, the parent bundle. So let's go add another one. I'm just going to add paragraph. I added this one. Now I'm adding the card text section. And in this one, I'm just gonna add some text. So here, let's add just some text. So here's some text. I'm just gonna click save. And what you see here, this one is not clickable. This one is not clickable now. It's just a regular straight bundle. That's the title and that's the text. But what's happening really, if you try to add a link, so click image and now and add a link. That's the home page. So this one's still clickable. This is the link now. This is clickable. The title, not the body. So these are the two sections inside. So let's now add more. So add paragraph, and then I'm gonna add the 3 and the 2 pretty much the same, but let's do one on one. So what is this exactly? So you saw now the inside, what goes inside these two guys. So you saw the card, the image section, and the text section. These two can be inserted inside. So if I'm trying to add an image here, I'm just gonna use the same one, and I'm gonna add this card, just some text, and I'm clicking save without adding any extra things. So you just see exactly the default. So this is the card already by default. You get 50-50. So now let's go play with that setting a little bit. So if we go to display, you have the 13 field, the default, plus two other field. This is the breakpoint. The breakpoints for anything. If you don't know, a breakpoint, that's where you, if you look to the view, this page, now you could see these two, I'm called them two boxes. The two boxes standing horizontal to each other now. You see what I mean? The breakpoint, it's that where are they going to be vertical, where they're gonna collapse on the top of each other. This is the breakpoint. So that's what you choose. You want it to be on the 576 pixel, whatever pixel. The default always set to 992. And this is the card layout. Card layout, it's that what you choose percentage wise between 50-50 or 30-70 or 67, whatever percentage you have here. So these are the options you choose. So if I click save, and also same thing, this is for the whole card. So don't forget that. So what you see here, content and display. Content, this is just for the whole card. The display is always, so if I'm gonna add a background here, just show you, this is going to be for the whole card, not just the child. You see, this is the background for the whole card. So this is how much you have customization and really flexible wherever you want. Don't forget, you could go inside each one here and add color, a background, or add anything here. So my recommendation, you always add the minimum. You always try to build a child without any colors or anything. Like here, the child try to put it just plain or something like that. And if you try to insert it inside the parents, here you can really update or something like that. Another thing I would like to mention, so if I click save here, let's add another one, the 3. So we could already cover the 3. So the 3 also the same thing. This is the 2. Remove, add paragraph 3. So you could add image, and you could add another image or text, and another image or text. That's the option you get. And if we add another image, insert, there is a lot of configuration here can happen, and I don't want the video to be that long. But as you see here, this is the 3 sections. So this is also 33, the percentage. So if you click on edit, and if you go to the 3 here, so here I would like to mention, as you see here, blue, green. And this is, I have a specified colors order. So by this way, I don't want the user to get lost, the parent, the child, or where are you exactly. So that's why I put color to kind of, so you have blue, green, orange, yellow, orange, and then red. That's the order. And that's as you see here. So if I click display, and if you try, you also have the 13 field default plus the layout style or the breakpoint or something like that. So that's what it is exactly. So if you click and you change, here is, that's the changes. These are, so just a recap for that video quick. So we added the two sections at the beginning, the image and the text, and at the same time we went inside and added the parent bundles, which is car2com and car3com, and we inserted inside them these two sections. So feel free if you'd like to use the section by itself, or if you want to insert the section inside the parents. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.